Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must not attempt to bypass passwords. Instead, begin by preparing verified identity and account details so you can work through official recovery channels. Start now. Gather your account number, government ID, device IMEI or SIM info, and recent activity dates. Once done, contact the account holder support line or your carrier's recovery portal. This protects you and others while allowing legitimate recovery. Make sure to note any error messages you saw. Those will speed up support verification. You should follow the provider's documented recovery steps rather than guessing passwords. First, use the website or app's password reset flow and supply the prepared verification info. If that fails, use your device's built-in account recovery options or the carrier's SIM/account reset process. If remote steps stall, go to a physical store with ID and proof of ownership so staff can validate you. This maintains security and ensures the change is logged and reversible. You will complete recovery when the provider confirms your identity and permits a reset. Accept their reset, choose a unique, strong password, and immediately enable two-factor authentication to prevent repeat issues. Update recovery emails and phone numbers and log out other devices. If you still cannot regain control, escalate through official complaint or security teams and request incident tracking. Troubleshooting tip: if verification repeatedly fails, ask for supervised in-person resolution to avoid unintended security workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.